What's going on, guys? This is Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Behind me I have a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali that we just got done lifting and added some new wheels and tires to. I'm going to go over what we added and the fitment of this wheels and tires and everything that we added. So the lift kit is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit that has this package has these spacers that go above the strut, and just to raise it up and match the front up with the back and allow us to fit the bigger wheel and tire package. Now the tire is a 35-1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler, so this is a great hybrid tire. It's going to have the best of both worlds. It's going to give you a great on-road performance and long-lasting tire, but it's also going to be pretty aggressive, and you could take this one off-road if you decide to do so. With this, we did have to do a little bit of trimming down here on this plastic part of the bumper, just so that there isn't any rubbing. It was not like any major cutting or anything like that. It is just a little bit some minor cutting. The wheel is going to be a 22x12 TIS 544 MB. So this one's going to be one of the more popular wheels on the market right now. This is a machined face with the gloss black lip, and this one is very good looking on pretty much any truck that you put it on. It makes your trucks really stand out, and overall, I just really like this wheel. This one's going to be the split spoke directional style with a deep dish, which I really like, and it's also going to have about a 5-inch lip on this wheel with that -44 offset. It's going to push that wheel and tire package out several inches and give it a nice wider stance. So overall, this is a really good look for this truck. I like how the wheels match the bumper or the grill and everything else on this truck. So if you guys like this build and want to get something like this done for your truck, we do offer 0% financing, but you can find all that information and how to contact us down in the description.